Back in my day, when cars were more steel than sensors, we learned to keep them running smooth with simple tricks that most folks today overlook. You don't need a fancy shop or high-end tools to extend the life of your engine, just a little consistency and care. If there's one trick I've sworn by for decades, it's this: regularly cleaning your engine's PCV valve. I'm going to tell you why. But just before we start, please ensure you've subscribed to the channel. What is the PCV valve and why should you care? The PCV valve, positive crankcase ventilation, plays a bigger role in your engine's health than most people realize. It's a small, often forgotten part that recirculates gases from the crankcase back into the intake manifold to be burned off. This keeps your engine cleaner and prevents harmful pressure buildup inside. When this valve gets clogged with gunk, and trust me, it will, it can cause oil leaks, rough idling, reduced fuel economy, and even early engine wear. The silent killer, why it often gets ignored. Here's the kicker. A dirty PCV valve often goes unnoticed because it doesn't trigger a warning light. That's why a lot of engines slowly deteriorate under the radar. I've seen engines with under 100k miles burning oil and sputtering like old tractors, all because nobody checked that tiny valve. On the other hand, I've helped cars hit 300k miles without breaking a sweat, just by keeping this system clean and flowing. How to check and clean it yourself. Checking it is easier than changing your oil. Locate the valve, usually on or near the valve cover, pull it off the hose, and give it a shake. If it doesn't rattle, it's likely clogged. Replace it, they usually cost under $10, or clean it with carb cleaner if it's a metal type. This whole job takes maybe 10 minutes. Do it every 20 to 30k miles, and your engine will reward you with smoother operation and fewer problems down the road. Why small maintenance makes a big difference. I've been turning wrenches for over 40 years, and if I had to pass on just one bit of advice to anyone who wants their ride to go the distance, it's this: respect the little parts. That humble PCV valve might not look like much, but give it some attention and it'll quietly add tens of thousands of miles to your engine's life. No noise, no fuss, just good old-fashioned reliability. Don't wait for a problem to act. So before you dump another bottle of engine life extender into your oil, pop that hood and do the real work. One simple check, a quick clean or a small replacement, and you're giving your engine the care it deserves. That's the kind of DIY that pays off mile after mile.